So guys, we're back at it with another video. I just uploaded the other video yesterday of me just driving around in the back roads of Vegas. So right now, Tuner just got a hold of me, said he's ready for me to come through to the shop. So that's where we're gonna go now. Check engine light because it's already pissing me off. It's already been like 3 days that I've had the header, so that's how quick it got to me. Got a pretty long road ahead of us, so we're just gonna do some bass tuning today. Nothing major, just some bass tune and get a little something for you guys to watch. And it's just a street tune. It's not no dyno jet or nothing like that. Whoa, it is hot as hell today too. It's 98 degrees. I was hoping to get it done later on tonight instead of right now during the day, because I mean I just want to keep the intake air temperatures down and stuff like that. But I mean it's just a bass tune, so I think when he has the final last tune, I think it'll be fine. Alright guys, we made it down here to Insane Performance. Yes, this is the one you probably see all the time. Street outlaws and all that stuff. There's that infamous blue thing right there. So he already got a reading off of the tune. Well, pretty much what my computer is, so he's gonna make me a bass tune right now. We're gonna see how it is and go from there. Yeah, some pretty cool shit. No, I didn't really feel the need to. Yeah. Ooh. Well, it was a lease. Somebody, like, I think 2 people had it before me. Because when I got the car, the rear tires were like pretty much almost showing
it was already, I mean, it was already set to the maximum.
Oh, really? Interesting. Corvettes over there, some Jeep bodies. Little old soul Mustang. We got a Skyline over here. That shit pretty cool. It's dope. I like that. You see, they're real small in person. Shit, I even fucks with that. Alright, so we just finished with the bass tune, so we're gonna see how it goes. No more check engine light. So we're gonna go ahead and drive it home. So to take a mental note of whatever's going on, see if I notice anything weird. So difference already. Some stupid road. I don't think I was supposed to go down this way, but oh well. Not done with the tune yet. But just like I said, it's just the bass tune. We're gonna see how it goes, see if I like it or whatever. He's just throwing a little quick you know what I'm saying, did some little things to it, fixed the little things that he noticed that were a little bit not right. And he said that whoever had the car before me had done some tuning to it, but they had the power enrichment and everything wasn't kicking in until like 5K or so. So that's probably why I felt like my harder RPM was probably better or something, because it was, I noticed that when I would punch it like in second gear and I would punch it like at 3 or 4,000 RPM, it would kind of like, felt like it wasn't going nowhere until it hit 5K and then it would go. So, I mean, that's probably why. You know, and for a while too, my buddy Vince was sending me, you know, maybe somebody had done some tuning to it, because it had its days. I noticed that when I was running on 100 octane, it was beast. And I just haven't run 100 octane in a long time, so we're gonna see the drive home. We're gonna record some stuff. Just keep a mental note and see how it goes. Let them know if anything is weird. At least the clouds are starting to come in, man. get you guys a little pull here on the light, or a little bit down there. I don't know, depending on how traffic looks. Just launch it from like 2K or so. I felt that torque management. It definitely did not spin as much as it used to. Not bad. Not bad at all, Shane. Good job. I definitely got off the line a lot better like that. Let's try a second gear. That's enough of that. I need to save my gas. Ah, damn. I hope y'all are excited as much as I am right now, because I'm really trying to contain it. Probably when this camera turns off right now, I'm gonna probably just be jumping up and down. I'm gonna call my boy Vince, since he's our cheerleader, so he's probably gonna be jumping up and down with me. That's my boy right there. But yeah, so definitely recommend it. Just even with the headers, man. Next thing for sure is cold air intake. So I don't know what brand I'm gonna go with. I don't really care too much about the brand. They say that, oh, you see the most with a certain type versus another one, but it's only like a 1 or 2 horsepower difference, I believe it is. But you know, at the end of the day, it's still in your tune. So yeah, definitely cold air intake next for sure. And get a retune, get it reflashed or whatever, or revised, my bad. And then yeah, that should be all right. And then after that, get onto some race wheels, get a good tire that hooks. Come on, light. Three, 2, 1. Yellow's alright. Alright guys, so I think I'm gonna end the video here. Gotta go meet up with my lady. I'm gonna go to Walmart or something. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace.